super cute. Here's your sneak peek. Alright. Let's get the card out first. Full bloom, super cute. Save that for the end to make sure that we got everything. First things first, it looks like it's an eyeliner. By Sugar. And all black, it's waterproof. Looks like it's just going to be a nice felt tip liner, which I like. Very nice. Thing. It's a lipstick. I'm assuming it's a lipstick. Yep, matte lipstick. Oh, nice. And it's really cute. Very nice. And that's the color. Very nice. It's almost like a terracotta color. Let's do a little swatch. It's nice. It's supposed to be matte, so let's let it dry and we'll go from there. See if it will smudge. I accidentally like smudged it right there, so that's okay. And the next, I feel bubble wrap. Oh, it's another space case. Oh, I like this company. They always have cute things. The packaging is so cute. Look at this. That's adorable. Let's see. Seen from Space. Highlighter. Oh, please be a color I'll use. If not, I will try and incorporate you into any makeup that I do. Ooh, I think this might be a full size. It's nice. It's not really a color I will use, but can you guys see? Probably not, because I'm so white, but it is very nice. Show it better on my finger. It's gold, so I'll have to figure out what look I could possibly do to incorporate this into it, because I really want to test it out properly with like a full face of makeup. But this looks nice. That's really cute. I'm really glad that they get that product a lot, or that company a lot. Next is another 24 karat gold mask. I did try that sheet mask. It wasn't as gold. Like, I thought the mask was gonna be like this kind of gold. It was like more of a normal kind of sheet mask with kind of like a gold hue to it. It was nice. It has nothing to do with this, but it was nice, but it made my skin kind of burn a little bit, so I'm probably not gonna try it again. My skin is just very sensitive, so an update on that. Anyways, back to this. It's a nice little sample size. Oh, it's a mud mask. Mineral mud mask. Oh, nice. I like mud masks. I'm excited to try that. And last but not least is the item that I got to choose. It is a loose setting powder. It's not translucent though, but I will try it. It's a number 117, and it looks like it's gonna be my shade. So yeah, I'm excited. Let's go back to the card. And first things first is the lipstick. It's a full size, and this is originally $20. So that's nice. And then this is the eyeliner. It's waterproof, and I'll be black. Nice. It's a full size, and this is originally $11.99. And then we have the mud mask. This is a deluxe sample. The full size is $58. Detoxes clogged pores and dullness as a thing in the past. Illuminates skin. So that's nice. I can't wait to try this. And then the highlighter. This is a deluxe sample. Oh my gosh, if this is a deluxe sample, I wonder how big their full-size one is. And full size is only $9. You know what? That's not too bad for a highlighter, especially if this is just a deluxe sample. And then the powder. This is a deluxe sample. Let's see. This is supposed to last through picnics, Sunday fun days, festivals. It's supposed to last up to 12 hours. Nice. And it's allegedly supposed to last through humidity, so that's also nice. The full-size version is $11.99. So that is everything. I'm very excited to test all of these products out. And thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to live your life for yourselves, do all things with kindness, and forever stay spooky, my friends. Bye!